The NBN is currently rolling out across Australia. The progress is exciting, but it brings up a lot of questions for anyone who uses the internet. What is the NBN? How does it work? And possibly the biggest question on your mind, how fast will it be? We'd like to answer some of these questions for you today. First, what is the NBN and how does it work? The NBN is the National Broadband Network. It's being built with a goal of giving all Australians high-speed internet, even in remote areas. For you, the end user, it works a lot like your current internet connection, but behind the scenes, it uses the latest fibre optic cable technology to deliver the fastest possible internet speeds. Is the NBN faster than ADSL2+? Yes, for a long time, ADSL2+ was just about the fastest internet that you could have, but the NBN is even faster. Here's why. ADSL runs over copper cable, which was originally built for the telephone. This isn't capable of the lightning-fast speeds that we demand from our internet nowadays. NBN will replace this copper infrastructure with mostly fibre optic cabling. This will make the internet faster for everyone. Now, let's get to the most important question of all. How fast will the NBN be? The NBN is reported to be 4 times faster than ADSL2+. Experts say that by the year 2020, 90% of Australian households will have internet speeds of 50 megabytes per second. On the NBN, you can choose from 4 tiers of speeds. If you're after crazy fast connections, you can go for the highest tier, promising speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second. What does this actually mean? Basically, the speeds on the lowest tier are pretty similar to today's ADSL. As you go up the tiers, the speeds get faster, and even the speeds on the second tier are capable of streaming 4K video. The higher tiers will enable super fast video streaming, gaming and more for multiple users at a time. So if you've learned a bit about the NBN today, please subscribe.